Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website. This website is a digibyte website and you can earn much more digibyte from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself, and you can earn much more digibyte from this website. And this website already paid this much satoshis and digibytes for other people, and this much digibyte already pay this website. Okay, and you can click sign up to you can make account. You put your username, email, password, gender, and your carry, and in carry your firm just put your carry and digibyte wallet orders from Faucetpay. Okay, and you can log in. Okay, now I'm logging, and this much BTC I have in digibyte and converted to digibyte. This much digibyte I earn. Okay, right now, and the first one is the Faucet. This one is the Faucet, and you can just put this one and okay, put and click roll, and wait a second, how much you can earn from this rolling. Okay, I earn, I think 10 BTC I earn. Okay, now I earn 10 BTC. I refresh the page. You can watch you earn this much satoshi. Okay, and you can go to watch BTC hats, and you can earn much more from this BTC hats, or you can watch short links. 57 short links is available. This much BTC pay you, or you can complete offers. If you complete any offer, pay you much more. The offer is very high. Pay you in the credit, any credit from this offer you found, like right now loading at this one. I show you how much you can win from this offer completing. Okay, and this is very easy offers, a survey or anything. So like this one, pay me this much Bitcoin. Okay, and you can go to offer. This is all things. You can come here, click any one of this, and you can watch the offer, and this is the all offer. Okay, this much credit is very high, and I go to okay, this much is very higher from all of these. Okay, if I earn that, I complete that offer, they pay me this much BTC. Okay, this one is very high BTC you can earn from this, just completing this offer. Okay, just completing this offer, and if you complete all offer, you can earn much more, and you can withdraw instantly in your Faucetpay. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is a little bit this much, 11 digibyte. Okay, this too easy. If you complete this offer, you can earn very fast, and you can refer your friends and earn much more from your referral link commission. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, bye bye.